Now we'll learn about zwitter ion at physiological pH, that is at a pH where a body functions. The amino acids exist at dipolar ion called the zwitter ion. Zwitter ion is a compound that has positive charge on one end and negative charge on non-adjacent end. This is a zwitter ion amino acid. Here there is positive charge at one end at amine group and negative charge on the other end at carboxylic group. Now classification of amino acid. Amino acid can be classified as neutral amino acid, basic amino acid and acidic amino acid. Neutral amino acids are those if the number of NH2 group and carboxylic acid group are same. Example, the natural amino acids alanine, valine, phenylalanine, etc. are neutral amino acid because the amine group and carboxylic acid groups are same. And the basic amino acids if the amine group number of amine group is more than the carboxylic acid group. For example, in lysine and arginine, the number of amine group is more. Now in acidic amino acids, the number of carboxylic acid is more than the amine groups. So example is aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Now zwitter ionic structure of some amino acids you can see. Alanine is a neutral amino acid. Here the amine group will accept the hydrogen ion from the carboxylic group and it will form a zwitter ionic structure like this. So this is NH3 plus and this CO negative. Now in the lysine structure there are two amine groups. You can see the lysine structure. There are two amine groups. So how to find out which is more basic? This amine group and between this amine group. This amine group is attached to 1, 2, 3, 4 alkyl groups, CH2 group. So this will be more basic, right? And this is attached directly to a carbon atom which is attached to COH and it will have a minus I effect. Therefore this amine group will have more tendency to accept the hydrogen atom. So therefore this amine group will accept the hydrogen from carboxylic acid and it will form this zwitter ion structure. So now in aspartic acid you can see there are two carboxylic acid groups. So how to find the more acidic group? So for that you have to see the minus I effect of NH2. NH2 will pull the electrons towards itself. This carboxylic acid is more close to NH2 group, so therefore this carboxylic acid will tend to leave its hydrogen ion and it will behave more acidic than this carboxylic group. So it will lose the hydrogen ion and therefore it will form this zwitter ion.